lovers. Today we are going to try every tea from our fall collection, and I'm going to show you what they look like and try to describe the flavor and the ingredients, because some of you have been asking what do they taste like, what's in it in each of them, and I'm going to try to do that in this video. We are going to start by putting some water in each cup, and we are going to reconnect in 5 minutes. I only put less than a teaspoon in each because it's a small cup, but usually 1 to 2 teaspoons per 250 grams or 1 cup of water. That's what we recommend. And I'll see you in 5 minutes, and we are going to talk about ingredients and some other stuff. So 5 minutes went by, and now we are going to try Peppermint Ember. Look at the color. It's a beautiful amber color, and I didn't close the tea bag very well, so there's some little herbs floating around, but I don't mind that. All right, so I'm gonna try it. The first flavor you are going to notice is mint, the peppermint. That's the first flavor. You're also going to notice sweet notes of licorice and cinnamon. Now the cinnamon, you'll taste the sweet, not very much the cinnamon part of it, but you will notice lemon and ginger after that. And I would like to look at do you see all the herbs that are in the label? The label is very pretty. And it has, I tried to put all the ingredients of the tea. So other ingredients in this tea is cardamom, lemon balm that I already mentioned, licorice root, fennel, burdock root, and cornflower petals. So I would like to show you what it looks like, because it's really, can you see? It's really pretty. And it really tastes like fall. This is what you want to drink when you come back home after a long day out, or when you need to relax. And this is what you think of, this beautiful tea, this beautiful smell. It has all the herbs that are known to help with your digestive system, and I just feel wonderful just looking at it. And now we are going to continue with the next one is cinnamon bun chai. You've been asking for a cinnamon bun chai for a while, and we decided to do another chai. And it's herbal, no caffeine, no black tea, no caffeine. And again, let me show you the beautiful color of this tea. And I'm going to just try it. It is delicious as is. Because it's chai, many people add milk or cream or oat milk or different kind of milk and honey and sugar, and I am one of those. I love my chai with some kind of milk product, and of course I always add a little bit of honey, to be honest. But now, because I wanted to try this dish just as is, I have to say I love it, and it's probably the first time that I had chai without milk. Um, it tastes so beautiful, smells so beautiful, and it's not very well. Of course, if you like it very strong, you have to let it steep for 10 minutes. I didn't do that because I wanted to have more subtle flavor, but if you leave it steep, this tea will be very flavorful. It has, the base of this tea is rooibos, and it has cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, black and white pepper, clove, nutmeg, star anise, and of course it's naturally caffeine free. If you smell it right away, you're going to notice it has pepper. So let me show you, and let me see the anise. Well, you don't see the anise here, but there's a lot of anise here. It tastes beautiful, it looks beautiful, and it smells fantastic. It smells truly, truly like autumn. And now we are going to move on to the next tea. Let me remove this. We sell these tea bags. They are biodegradable. They don't have any microplastics, and they're very, very good, and they're unbleached. Our next tea is Spice Almond Fest. It has a very intense, beautiful red color. Right away, if you smell it, the first thing you're going to smell is almond. You're also going to taste the hibiscus right away. I usually add a little bit of sugar or honey to my teas, but I wouldn't do it to this one. It's just so perfect as is. It has sweet tones for sure. It has, well, I should have said that the first thing you're going to smell and taste is the apple. Apple is the main ingredient in this tea. Of course, has hibiscus, it has rosehip, almond pieces, safflower petals, and it has some natural flavors. All the natural flavors are organic. And let me try it again. It's very, very good. Very, very perfect for people that have a sweet tooth. I'm going to smell it. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful. Look at you can see the almond pieces. You can see the almond pieces right there and everything else. There's a lot packed in this tea. Our other new flavor for this fall is Enchanted Orchard. This is right in the label. You can see it has tomatoes, cucumbers, lemon, what else? Apple, hibiscus, ginger, safflower petals, and marigold. Okay, let me try it. Definitely, I couldn't say if I try first cucumber or tomato, but I can say it has like a little vegetable garden involved in the taste, and also fruit. It has a balance of fruit of veg and vegetables. That's why we call it Enchanted Orchard. It really has citrusy flavors and some vegetables. Did I show you the color? And let me show you what it looks like. There's so much packed in this tea. You can see the lemon, you can see the cucumber, you can see some flowers. Well, I hope this video gives you an idea of what our teas taste and look like. I think when we work with herbalists to create these blends, we told them we really want the flavors of the season in every blend. And we work with them Well, I'm going to make another video telling how we come up with these blends, but usually we tell herbalists what we want and they create different versions of each flavor of each blend, and then we try and try and try and we come up with one. So this is how we came up with these 4 wonderful teas for this season, and we hope you love them.